Hey, I'm Frank with Panasonic. I'm here at the Cairo station, and as a part of my demo, I'm using Companion to drive a lot of our switcher functions. What I like about it is we have a tight integration with our switcher, so everything I'm able to do with our nice control surface, I can actually map and drive with my Stream Deck here using our Companion module. So you can see in Companion, everything on Kairos is already indexed. If I want to create a new button, I can literally just go into our presets here, and let's say I want to grab this multi-view macro, drag it over. Now it's as a part of my display here. So for my demo, I'm actually using the Stream Deck to drive one of my outputs. I'm getting tally response back, and I'm having full switcher control here, as well as the ability to fire some macros. So in this environment, I need to be able to adapt my screens pretty quickly, and so I've built macros in the switcher to do that. And this surface through Companion is now giving me that ability to just quickly recall the different elements of my demo. I'm using Stream Deck today. I've had a couple installs with the buttons, so I'm looking forward to getting one of those mounted in a rack in one of my demos very soon.